The Boeing 727-100 is one of the most iconic aircraft in commercial aviation history. Known for its distinctive tri-jet design, the 727-100 was a versatile and reliable aircraft that played a crucial role in the expansion of air travel during the 1960s and 1970s. This comprehensive video report will delve into the history, design, and performance of the Boeing 727-100, highlighting its impact on the aviation industry and its lasting legacy. The Boeing 727-100 program was launched in the early 1960s, with the first prototype making its maiden flight on February 9, 1963. The aircraft entered commercial service with Eastern Airlines on February 1, 1964. The 727-100 was in production until 1972, during which time Boeing produced a total of 571 units of the 727-100. Despite its relatively short production span, the 727-100 became one of the most popular and widely used aircraft of its era, serving airlines around the world. The Boeing 727-100 was designed and built by Boeing Commercial Airplanes, a division of the Boeing Company, which is based in the United States. The 727-100 was developed as a solution to meet the needs of airlines for a short to medium-range aircraft that could operate efficiently from smaller airports with shorter runways. The design team at Boeing, led by the legendary engineer Jack Steiner, created a tri-jet configuration that allowed for greater operational flexibility and improved performance. 3. The sole purpose that it was originally designed for. The Boeing 727-100 was originally designed to serve as a short to medium-range airliner capable of operating on routes that larger jets, like the Boeing 707, could not efficiently serve. The 727-100 was specifically tailored to meet the demands of domestic and regional routes, with the ability to operate from airports with shorter runways and less infrastructure. The tri-jet design, combined with its advanced aerodynamics and high-lift wing, allowed the 727-100 to perform well in various operational conditions, including hot and high-altitude airports. The Boeing 727-100 was based primarily in the United States, with the aircraft being developed, produced, and initially operated by American Airlines. The first customer for the 727-100 was Eastern Airlines, which played a significant role in the aircraft's early success. The United States continued to be the primary market for the 727-100, with the aircraft serving major carriers such as United Airlines, American Airlines, and Delta Air Lines. However, the 727-100 also found success in international markets, becoming a popular choice for airlines in Europe, Asia, and Latin America. 5. In addition to its original factory, the plane has seen production runs in other countries. While the final assembly of the Boeing 727-100 was concentrated at Boeing's Renton, Washington facility in the United States, the aircraft's production involved a global supply chain. Various components and systems for the 727-100 were manufactured by suppliers in different countries. Notably, Canada. Companies like de Havilland Canada produced some structural components for the 727. Japan. Japanese firms, including Mitsubishi, were involved in the production of key components such as wings and fuselage sections. Germany. German companies supplied parts of the avionics and control systems for the aircraft. However, there were no complete production runs of the 727-100 in any country outside the United States. The final assembly and major manufacturing remained centralized at Boeing's Renton plant. 6. Technical specifications and performance. The Boeing 727-100 was a technological marvel of its time, featuring a tri-jet configuration that offered a unique blend of power, performance, and efficiency. Below are the key technical specifications and performance characteristics of the 727-100. Engines. The Boeing 727-100 was powered by 3 Pratt & Whitney JT8D7 engines. These low-bypass turbofan engines were known for their reliability and efficiency. Horsepower and thrust. Each JT8D7 engine produced 14,000 pounds of thrust, giving the aircraft a total of 42,000 pounds of thrust. This power enabled the 727-100 to operate from shorter runways and provided the necessary performance for its short to medium-range missions. Speed. The Boeing 727-100 had a maximum cruising speed of 632 miles per hour, Mach 0.9, with a typical cruising speed of 570 miles per hour, Mach 0.82. This speed allowed the 727-100 to compete effectively with other jets of its time, offering quick and efficient service on domestic and regional routes. Range. The 727-100 had a range of up to 2,500 nautical miles, 4,630 kilometers, depending on the payload and fuel configuration. This range made it suitable for a wide variety of routes, from short domestic hops to longer transcontinental flights. Capacity. The seating capacity of the Boeing 727-100 varied depending on the airline configuration but typically ranged from 106 to 149 passengers. The aircraft was often configured with a combination of first-class and economy seating, with some carriers opting for an all-economy layout on high-density routes. Fuel efficiency. Although not as fuel efficient as modern jets, the 727-100 was considered efficient for its time. The aircraft's design included features like a T-tail and advanced wing aerodynamics, which helped reduce drag and improve overall fuel consumption. Conclusion. The Boeing 727-100 was a groundbreaking aircraft that played a significant role in shaping the future of commercial aviation. Its innovative design, reliable performance, and operational versatility made it a favorite among airlines and passengers alike. Even though the 727-100 is no longer in production, its legacy lives on, and its impact on the aviation industry is still felt today.